So I'll be entirely honest, of course, as always. I believe I've been walking for maybe 10-15 minutes now. The birds are beautiful. Bumblebees are huge. And I noticed this tree. Forgive me, I also keep feeling like I'm being observed, if not followed. So I've heard about these trees in an article. Sometimes trees sometimes trees grow like this because they're growing in the direction water is facing. Also, if a tree is caught on fire, the fire that the tree is warped in or consumed in could warp the tree. There was one article that said these kinds of trees had a mystical purpose, but I can't remember what it was. That is the only tree like that in this forest that I've encountered so far. All of them have some fire damage, so you can't say it's fire. But I thought that I would catalog this. Aside from the fact that I do feel like I'm being observed, what I thought was one entity, but now it feels like two. Also, today's my birthday, by the way. Happy birthday, Woodrow. On the 3rd. 32 now. Excuse me. I shall continue my walk.